Welcome to Garage Lab. Today we will discuss about WP replication load balancer, and we are very much glad about your interest in this product. So let's jump into our today's topic. We will describe you our today's. We will focus about how we can easily implement WordPress high availability use on AWS using our WP replication load balancer, this product. So we frequently use AWS for our hosting purpose, and we will see how we can use this product to enhance our WordPress website performance. So normally we create our contents using WordPress, and if we deploy it into a single instance, then at any point this single instance can be crashed or have some errors or just not responding. So it is always a problem for a smooth performance or get the maximum output or uptime. What could be the solution? The solution is pretty simple. If we use a highly available system which is actually available in AWS platform, you can get AWS features, and there are lots of services in AWS, and those are actually very much effective to solve the highly availability features for our website. We can to implement this using our WP load balancer and replication plugin for WordPress. It actually creates or uses Elastic Compute Cloud of AWS. We can create an instance in the VPC to implement highly availability into a region. These regions actually have a minimum 3 availability zones. So if we create instances in 3 or separate availability zones, then if one zone is down, then it will be content will be delivered from another zone. This is the main principle. And who will decide these transfers, or who will detect this which instance is alive or which instance is more faster? We will use the Elastic Load Balancer of AWS. This service actually uses their routing system to detect the nearest or fastest instance alive to serve the content, and it supports SSL, so we can use the HTTPS protocol to deliver our contents. And we will use the relational database service for the MySQL database that WordPress uses, and we will deliver smoothly the replication of our databases. If one zone is down, then the corresponding replicated or cloned master slave database will render the corresponding data. And all these features are available in the WP replication load balancer, this product. You can easily get it from our shop, and it actually just a few clicks, just you fill up this form, and after installation you will go to the plugin page and click the WP replication load balancer, fill up this form, and it has the server setup load balancer, and asset details, all the forms, required forms, just fill it up, and it will create the load balancers, elastic cloud, VPC, and RDS of the databases quite. And these are the features you will get with our support team. Our support team is always with you, and you can get the demos listed here. So always with Garage Lab. Hope you enjoy our today's discussion. Bye for now.